Alright, meron tayong kasabay. Mama, Yamaha pocket bike. Overtake pa. Manis. Banking mo, Paps. Ha? Overtake pa, panis.
Did you know that Yamaha Pocket Bike PW50 was introduced in 1981 as Weisinger? It is one of the more famous beginner bikes. 10 years after, this bike has a reputation of being not only kid-friendly but also indestructible. Since then, the Yamaha PW50 has made several motocross champions around the world. They now offers brand new PW50 for 69,900 pesos. Powered by a 2-stroke, 49 cubic capacity, carbureted engine. The PW50 is strong enough to handle 4-year-old boys or full adult riders for exciting trail rides or flat track attacks. As a safety feature for kids, the PW50 has an adjustable throttle to allow parents to limit its speed according to the rider's skill level. Weighing only 41 kilograms, its lightweight characteristics allow children to maneuver this shaft-driven two-wheeler with ease on dirt surfaces. Your kid will learn how to ride with a fully automatic gearbox, one of the features that the PW50 is known for. However, it still relies on front and rear drum brakes for stopping power. It's equipped with a 26mm telescopic fork with 2.4 inches of suspension travel, and a swing arm with 2 inches of suspension travel at the rear to take a beating from mini jumps. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. And TONTON Motovlog will always remind you to live and ride responsibly.